Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel cooking and homemaking series with Beetroot. Today we are making a beetroot crush. If you want to know more, continue watching. So you get your washed beetroot and make sure you dry it, like it really looks pale after drying, as you can see. So then you cut off the sides and then you have to peel it. Some people prefer not to peel it. It's all the same as long as you have washed it really so well. Beetroot is a very healthy fruit or vegetable, any way you call it. It helps to lower blood pressure for those who already have the condition, and also prevents blood pressure, increase in blood pressure during pregnancy. And this is termed as preeclampsia. It's the sudden increase in blood pressure during pregnancy. So taking beetroot juice or crush or smoothie 2 times a day will help prevent that. Beetroot juice also helps to increase muscle power in people with heart failure or heart conditions. Beetroot is also very helpful to maintain an appropriate body weight. We all know the dangers of overweight. Overweight is a very dangerous thing that can cause you other conditions like heart failure, kidney problems. So having 2 glasses of beetroot will do you well to maintain your weight. Beetroot is also a very good juice to prevent cancer. It is free from radicals and it has in antioxidants called betalains which fight cancer. So everyone, if you are liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to put your comments in the comment sections. I really need those comments. Tell me where to adjust, tell me what you want me to do. Let's interact, let's do it together, you get? So our juice is all ready, our crush is ready. So you may be wondering what I've put on top, those pink bubbles. That's just foam that came up when I was blending, and those are lemon leaves, and that's a beetroot slice on this side. So you can see how I just wanted to decorate the whole thing and make it wow. Putting sugar is an option. You can either put or not. Like in this one, I have not put. Thanks for watching and see you in my next videos.